Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside of Walgreens, and Walgreens has some good deals, and especially if you're one of those people like me who have double stacking boosters. So I have a spend 45 get 10, and then that will stack with the $5 on your next purchase. So those should stack together. They stack together, it looked like online, so that super awesome. If you're new, hello, I am the third shift couponer. I go couponing after my third shift job. And then there is that subscribe button. If you're not currently subscribed, I'd love to have you as part of my channel. And there is a printable breakdown just in case you need it. And ignore my cat litter. I haven't checked Meyer's weekly ad yet for starting next week, but today was the last day for the cat litter as BOGO. So of course I went and grabbed a few more because I use this litter. My cats prefer that litter, so whatever. But anyway, without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. We have a deal on the Dove body wash or the Dove Men Plus Care body wash. This deal is not good in my opinion, but if you do need it, this is way better than paying full price. So they are on promotion, buy two, get $3 in registry rewards, and they're on sale for $8. So you'll grab whatever ones you like for the $8, and you'll grab two of them. We have a $4 digital coupon, so your total will be $16 minus that coupon. You'll be left to pay $12 at the register. We'll get the $3 register reward for buying two, making them $9 for both. Okay, so the bar soap deal is way better in my opinion. So they are $10. They're part of that same promotion and use that same digital coupon. So you do need to choose whether you're going to grab the bar soap or the body wash. But you'll grab two of the bar soaps for $20. Use that $4 digital coupon, so you pay $16 at the register. Then we'll give a $3 register reward for buying two. Then we'll submit to fetch rewards for 3,000 fetch points when spending $20, which is equivalent to $3, making them $10 for both, or literally buy one get one free. Now we still have this deal going on for the Tresemme, so they are buy two, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $6. So you'll grab two of them for $12. Now if you haven't used that $5 digital coupon, you're able to use that here. We didn't give a new one, unfortunately, so you'll be left to pay $7 at the register, but we'll get the $5 register reward for buying two, making them $2 for both. L'Oreal Elvive hair care products are on promotion. Buy two, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale two for $10. So you'll grab whatever two you like for that $10 mark. We have a $3 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $7 at the register. We'll get the $4 register reward for buying the two, making them $3 for both. Super easy deal on the Colgate Crest or Oral-B if you haven't used the digital coupon yet. So they're buy three, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $3.50. So you'll grab a total of three of them for $10.50. Use that $5 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $5.50 at the register, but we'll get the $5 register reward for buying the three, making them 50 cents for all three of them. Now you can grab toothpaste instead of the Oral-B toothbrushes. So we have like the Scope Outlast weird bottle shape thing. That's part of that promotion. Or the only other toothpaste is this Crest 3D White that my store has. So this is like the only tube form of toothpaste that's in that deal. Or if you prefer Colgate products, we have this month-long promotion going on. So they're buy two, get $5 in register rewards. And they're on sale for $5. So you'll grab two of the toothbrushes, for example. Your total will be $10. We have a $4 digital coupon, so you pay $6 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for buying two, making them $1 for both. Or if you prefer, you can also grab this deal. So this deal is buy two, get $3 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $4. So you can grab two of like the toothbrushes or mouth rinses for $8. Use that $4 digital coupon, so you pay $4 at the register. Get the $3 register reward for buying two, making them $1 for both. Y'all, it's been a while since we had a good laundry deal, and it is back. It's on select Ariel products, so I think that's Tide, Gain, and all those. So They're all on sale for $5.49, and when you buy 4, you'll get $5 in registry rewards. The first product I'm going to grab is a Tide Power Pods with the Downy kind, part of that promotion. Then I'm actually going to grab a Tide Liquid, part of that promotion as well. Next, we're going to grab a Downy Rinse and Refresh for $5.49. You can also grab the Tide one if you prefer the Tide one. Then you're going to grab one of the Downy Unstoppables for $5.49. These would be the 4 products that I'm going to grab. My total will be $21.96. We have a $2.50 digital coupon for the Downy Unstoppables, a $2.05 digital coupon for the Tide Power Pods, or you may have a $1 digital coupon for that. We have a $2.50 digital coupon for the Downy Rinse and Refresh and a $1 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid. So that means we'll be left to pay $13.91 at the register. We'll get the $5 registry reward for buying all 4 of them, making them $8.91 for all 4. Y'all, I saw this deal super early Sunday morning, and I had a couple errands to do, and then I was going to stop real quick and just grab them because we had $1 on Ibotta for them. And then it disappeared like super fast, like faster than normal in my opinion, but still $1.99 for that. I feel like that's not that bad of a price, especially if you like Purex. So right now we have a really good deal on Scott paper products. So you're going to look for the Scott 6 rolls paper products or paper towels that are normally $5 every day. Then you're going to come look for the Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper. That is the 12 family roll. That's $5 every day. So these would be the 2 products you will grab. Your total will be $10. Now we have double stacking coupons. So we have a store coupon for $1.25. That will come off of each one. So we'll get a total of $2.50 off of these. Then we have a manufacturer coupon for $1 for the paper towels and a manufacturer coupon for the toilet paper that's also $1. So that makes them both $5.50. Now, just a friendly reminder, when you're using store coupons, that the store coupon amount does not track towards your spend booster. So a total of $2.50 from this deal, if I'm going to do it, will not track towards that booster. All right, y'all, this is everything I am grabbing today. Let's go check out. All right, we're back in from checkout, and checkout did not go well. We had a problem with my digital coupons, but the store will not do anything about them. They just kind of look at me like, you know, you're dumb. So nothing I can do. Most of my coupons did not come off. Let me just go ahead and say that to begin with. So I grabbed everything that I showed you in my cart, and then so the laundry deal, the Scott deal, and then the Dove Beauty Bar deal. So I used 3 different register rewards because the cashier that was working, it's just the one that doesn't really care. So this is my receipt, blah, 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 all the items. So then the 2 $5, and then I have the $3 registry reward. And then for coupons, I have 2 $2.50 ones that came off, which I'm assuming are ones for the Downy Unstoppables, and then ones for the Downy Rinse and Refresh. And then we had a $4 digital coupon. So those, and that was for the Dove bars. So for other digital coupons that did not come off, actually all 3 ones for Scott didn't come off. So the store coupon didn't come off, or the manufacturer coupons didn't come off. Then we had the Tide Liquid didn't come off. The Tide Power Pods didn't come off. I think that's it. Just looking. So what is that? Like 7:55, I think, roughly. Quickly trying to do the math in my head for my coupons, or that I'm off by. So my subtotal was a lot higher than it was, or that it should have been. And like I said, I saw that most of my coupons didn't come off. So yeah. So it was $29.96. So of course I'm gonna have to reach out to customer service and be like, WTF, give me my monies. And I did verify. I came to the car, I verified that all of these coupons were clipped in my account. So there's that. I did get the $10 and the $5 Walgreens cash offers. That's cool. That's not what I mean, that worked, but I would rather like have my coupons come off, because now I'm gonna have to get more Walgreens cash, and I had to have a higher out of the pocket than I had wanted. So yeah. Oh, also, even if like Walgreens was trying to use one manufacturer coupon per item, the store coupon should have still stacked with some, and the store coupon for like the Scott always attaches like over up here with the product, and it's not even up here, because I grabbed 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 products, I want to say. Yeah, 8 products and only 6 technically. 3 coupons came off, 3 registry awards, so 6 manufacturer items. But on the plus side, you know, I did get the $3 registry award for the Dove, and then the $5 registry award for the laundry deal did print. So I mean, that's that. I just hate having to deal with customer service and the Catalina, because Catalina hasn't been going through for me lately, and I don't know, like someone has said to you, try that as a PDF, so I haven't tried that yet. But if you have problems trying to submit to the Catalina form website, try a PDF as your pictures, I guess. Try that. Try Chrome, Safari, I don't know, try something else. What a frustrating week. The deals were kind of slow. Coupons not coming off. Walgreens, get your stuff together. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.